Welcome to the Recipe for Results. This is your podcast extra for certification in the hotel, restaurant, and bar industry, brought to you by HRBUniversal.
This is the brief on the Clearwater ServSafe Food Protection Manager certification. You know, the FDA Food Code literally requires food establishments to have a certified person in charge on duty. And this upcoming HRBUniversal training session in Clearwater, Florida, is exactly how you nail down that mandatory credential. First, let's get right into the details. It's happening on July 23, 2026, running from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the HRBUniversal Training Center in Clearwater. Think of this as a focused safety boot camp. It's an accredited, industry-standard program built by the National Restaurant Association, so it's definitely not just some casual seminar. Second, we have to talk about the structure. The day is split into a fast-paced 4-hour lecture followed by a 2-hour exam, and self-study is strictly required before you arrive. Honestly, think you can just walk in cold and pass? No way! That morning lecture is a quick sprint that completely relies on the stretching you did at home using their online portal or the free mobile app. Finally, let's break down the logistics. It's $179 for the advanced course and exam bundle, or just $129 if you only need the exam. The whole setup is super modern and completely electronic. You can bring your own laptop or tablet, or they'll literally hand you an Amazon Fire tablet to use right there. So do the homework, grab a device, and knock out this crucial certification to keep your kitchen totally safe and compliant.